Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore banking setup for automatic investing with SoFi Invest, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your banking setup for automatic investing with SoFi Invest, begin by opening the SoFi app on your device. Log into your existing SoFi account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Invest section, look for the options related to automated investing or recurring investments. Select the option that allows you to manage your banking information or funding sources. Here, you should see your current linked bank accounts. If your bank account is no longer linked or you need to update it, choose the option to add a new bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your new bank account information, including the account number and routing number. SoFi may require you to verify this bank account, often through a micro-deposit process. Check your bank account for 2 small deposits made by SoFi, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Return to the SoFi app and enter the amounts of the deposits to complete the verification process. Once your bank account is verified, go back to the Invest section. Select the option for automatic investing settings. Set up your desired investment amounts and frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Make sure to review your settings to ensure they align with your investing goals. Confirm all changes and return to the main dashboard. Finally, monitor your investments to track performance and ensure everything is functioning correctly. You have now successfully restored your banking setup for automatic investing with SoFi Invest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable 2-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.